Oh, hey, it's me, Mr. Clay. How are you today? That's great. Say, I just got a bag of groceries from the store, and I'm gonna make something. Do you want to help me make a treat? Awesome. Let's start. Let's see what's in my bag. All right, I'm gonna take something out. These are pretzels. Do you like pretzels? I love pretzels. They are so good to eat. Whoa, there's a bunch more stuff in here. Let's take out the next thing. These are chocolate candies. I love chocolate candy. Do you like chocolate candy? Awesome. I can't wait to open these and have a bite. Baggies. I wonder what we're going to use these baggies for. Let's see what else is in the bag. Let's take out... Ooh, raisins. I like raisins a lot too. Do you like raisins? Great. This is cereal. Do you like cereal? I love cereal. Sometimes I eat cereal for breakfast. One more thing. Fish crackers. Do you like fish crackers? Me too. They're one of my favorite snacks. So we've got all kinds of very good treats. What do you think we're gonna make? Yeah, we're gonna make trail mix. Do you want to help me make trail mix? Great. Okay, so I'm gonna open these baggies and get one baggie out. Let me put it down here. Open this, and now I can put my treats in here. We're gonna put all of these treats into my baggie. We're gonna do it in a certain order, but when you're doing this at home, you can put them in any order that you want to. Okay, let's start. I'm gonna start with my fish crackers. I'm gonna open the box. You may need a grown-up to help you with this part. And I'm gonna pour them into the baggie. You can pour in as much as you want. That looks good. Now, let's put the cereal in. First, I have to open it. Open the cereal. And now I'm going to pour it in. Whoa, look at that. I'm going to mix them all together in a few minutes. But first, let's add some raisins. I'm going to open my raisins. Now, I've got one box of raisins. I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna pour it into the bag. Oh, they're stuck. Shake them real hard. There's one more left in there. Great. You can put as many raisins in the bag as you want. Next, pretzels. Let's put some pretzels in my baggie. Will you help me pour them in? That looks yummy. And last but not least, my favorite treat of all the treats, chocolate candy. I'm gonna have one, this yellow one. That is so good. Okay, let's pour them in. Woo! Look at all those colors. Okay, now the next thing I have to do is close the bag. And I'm gonna give it a good shake to mix up all of my different treats. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this looks so yummy. I've got all my favorite snacks in one bag. This is called trail mix. This is a great snack. I'm gonna get a piece of cereal, a raisin, and one piece of chocolate. If I can find one. And I'm gonna eat them all at once. Wow, that's really good. Say, do you want to make your own trail mix? Awesome. Make it and have it as a snack when you're at school or at the park. Well, I'm all done. Now I have to clean up. But thank you so much for helping me. I'll see you next week, okay? And remember, you're awesome. Bye.